Last week, Swansea's application to become the UK City of Culture for 2021 was finally submitted. There's more to Swansea than its culture from the past, although we shouldn't overlook the Dylan Thomas legacy, nor that of Kingsley Amis, Peter Ham, Kerry Richards, and of course this week's star, Vernon Watkins, nor that it's 160 years that some of the earliest pictures of the moon were taken from Swansea by John Dilwyn Llywelyn. Swansea contributes to the culture of the world with the likes of Carl Jenkins, Spencer Davies, Glenys Corr, Hannah Stone, as well as well-known performers like Rhea Jones, Rob Brydon and Catherine Zeta-Jones. The city hosts cultural events like the Swansea Festival and Fringe, the Jazz Festival, BBC Proms in the Park and even the Wales Air Show. And while there are similar events elsewhere in the UK, much like the Swans style of football, Swansea does it in its own special way. This unique culture is reflected in its people. Warm and funny, together they are showing great imagination in reinventing this ugly, lovely town and creating a true city. From Swansea Business Club and the Ospreys to Klein Farm Centre, Swansea Tidal Lagoon and the universities, public and private bodies, this is a bid that represents the whole of the city and the whole of Wales. Disappointed last time out, Swansea is back on its feet and fighting once more. Northern Ireland at 2013, England is represented in 2017, so let's make sure it's Wales next.